security. Together, we honor our past, strengthen our present, and build a future.
It is our way of ensuring that the AFP remains a capable, agile, and forward-thinking force prepared to defend and ready to respond and poised to lead.